Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add background image to a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select here Organize option. Now select here Background option and select Add Background and select your Name option and click this option and select your folder and add this background image. Select Open and see this background image opacity. I'll make it 100% and this scale I'll make it 100%. Also I'll increase this scale on 120 and image now fill and simply select all pages and select OK and see this our background image now added all of these pages. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.